Alright, everything's done. I fulfill it. I missed some parts. That's okay. Alright. Yeah.
It's done. Okay, great. Add your dimension to it now. Add your dimension to it. Remember to change your dimension layer. Always remember to do that, alright? Don't forget that part.
I'll use
Here, add text to it now.
0.
Look in the book and see what the measurement is.
B. Oh. And we do.
Look at that spelling.
Yeah, I know. Delete it.
Oh, click 2 times inside here. Let's click 2 times. Why did you backspace? Why did you bother start over? No. You're gonna insert the face base in it. Remember to do that? AD center. Alright? Insert the
Tell me what the thumbs up when you're recording.
Huh?
What thumbs up when you're recording.
I'm recording.
Oh.
Insert. You want to insert the face basin. Tile it. Scroll down to what you want.
We're like moving. We're like making a new house. What is it?
You want a face? You want a toilet? A bathtub as well.
Yeah, bath.
Scroll through for the bathtub.
Like putting in.
Let's put it in the corner anywhere. Just drop it somewhere in the drawing line. You have a space over there. Drop it over there. Yeah, put it right there. No, we don't want any door.
Why?
We don't want any door, bro. Don't put in what you want to put in. Let's put what you like to put in. Delete it. Don't put in any door in it. That door is an elevation.
Wait.
Delete it. Close off that now and insert them in the bathroom. Don't insert anything else. Put them in the bathroom now. So the bathroom here, fit them in the bathroom. You'll need to rotate. Go ahead and put them in. No, the bathtub is supposed to go in the corner. The bathtub should be here. Yeah, that can go. He can go there.
I'm gonna move it a little.
And the face basin, you'll need to rotate the face basin. I'll put in the face basin first. The face basin, you have to rotate it. Rotate it vertically. Rotate it vertically. And then drop it in the corner up there. Just rotate it. So you have the base pan and rotate it. $90 degrees you want to rotate it. Alright, drop it in the drawing now. Move it into the drawing. Alright, that's good. Yeah.
Hey?
Drop it in your face base now.
It's a sink.
Yeah, face base or sink, same difference. Yeah, that's good. Alright, that's good. That is good. You need to insert some door in the drawing now.
That's right. But you said you didn't need a door.
No, not. It's a different door to get that part.
Exactly.
Right. Go to AD center. We don't need those doors. No, you want bed. You want bed and those stuff. So you want bed in the drawing now. So go to AD center. I think it's in home space planner. Yeah. I think it's in home space planner. Yeah. So go to blocks. Click that off. Go to up to blocks. Click on blocks. 2 times, yeah. Alright. You can enter. See, those are stuff that you can add to your drawing. It's up to you.
So can we add it?
Add anything you want to add. It's your design. You want you want a bed? You want a bed? Use the space over there now. You have more space over there. Bed. You want sofa? See the sofa? Add sofa to it as well. Sofa here. You probably want table. So go up more. Scroll to the same things that you want. Table. You want table? Alright, drop them into the drawing now.
No, madam.
What else you want? Chair? Want a computer? Alright. Drop them into your drawing now.
We're bedroom 1 and 2.
No, but you can always copy. Just copy the bed and put it in the other one. Just copy it. Just copy the bed. CO and copy it and drop it into the thing there. No, copy it first. Alright, okay, dear thing. Alright. And you're gonna put the sofa in the living room, right?
Oh, Daddy.
Sofa, yeah? Put the table, yeah. Table in the bedroom? No.
Yeah.
No, don't put you want a side table.
Room.
But that table is too big for the bedroom.
Okay, fine. And we put a computer.
Okay.
On the bed.
Look what you're doing.
What am I doing?
Did you delete something?
Alright, I'll put it on the bed.
Don't put it in the bedroom. Don't put the computer in the bedroom, bro. Put it in the thing there. Why is that so then?
I'm just thinking where to put it.
Let me see. Oh, what happened right there?
Uh-oh.
Something seems after the video. Copy that bedroom into the next bedroom. Copy that bed into the next bedroom.
Point.
Copy anywhere you want to use as a base point. Just copy it into the next bedroom. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. You want to drop in. Clear the command bar and the brown. Be careful not to mess up anything again. Alright, you want to add some doors and windows to it, alright?
What about the...
You don't need to, this is a first try, you don't need to have everything in it. Alright? You don't need to have everything in it at this time. No, I want you to insert the door in the drawing. So we're going to use tool palette. Use tool palette.
T?
TP. TP for tool palette. Alright, choose you want door metric. Click door metric. Use door metric. Alright. You know. Click outside the drawing. Click outside the drawing. Don't drop it inside the drawing yet, bro. Alright. You want to make 2 copies of that. Make 2 copies. 2 or 4. 2 or probably 3 copies of it.
2.
Yeah, go ahead and copy it.
Wait, what am I?
Read the command bar, bro. Go ahead, man. You're moving too slow. Those are too close, man. Alright, go ahead. The 4. 4 is good. Escape. Now, probably we should adjust one first and then make a copy of it first. Alright. Delete these 3. Sorry. Delete those 3. Delete them.
Do it.
I know. No,
It's
what
been
you want
like
to do? You want to
minutes.
You want to close. Let me start. You want to move. You want to create a distance. So create a circle like here. Look at this. Create a circle. Create a circle of radius 150 from here. 150, and we're gonna insert the door right here on that. All right. So right here on the drawing, here, draw a circle of radius 150 right here.
Right here?
Yeah. 150. Zoom in some more. You didn't click on the right point. Delete it. Delete. You have to choose here as the center. No, at this 2-point circle. At this 2-point. Yeah, this one. Radius 150. Alright, good. Now you're gonna use this point. You're gonna use here as the base point, right? You're gonna use here as the base point to paste the door. Alright. So you're gonna go now to the door. Go to the door and you're gonna paste it in the drawing. So select one. Select the door. Select this one. Zoom in into it. You're gonna copy it, and you're gonna use here as the base point. Copy. You're gonna use here as the base point, and you're gonna paste it into that drawing. Copy. Use here as the base. No, not there. Here as the click there. Go and drop it into the drawing now. Drop it right at that point. Right there. Yeah, click. Oh, door is that distance is too short. Distance is too short. Can't put the door there.
That doesn't look like a door to me.
Guess what? Just bring it. What you could do? Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. Escape. Delete this. This. Yeah. Bring the door. Move the door using here as a base point. Drop the door up there. Why would you didn't adjust that to 150? Move this. Move this up to here. Read the command bar. Choose here as a base point. Right here as a base point. Yeah. Drop it right here. Yeah, click. Yeah, but no, we need to extend this. Extend this 150.
EX.
No. Click on it. Click on it. Use arrow. Use arrow. Click arrow. 150. It's 150? Read. Let it be 200. Let me see. 200.
Oh my god, bro.
Escape. Why is that? I don't understand. Alright, trim out inside here. Trim TR, enter. Trim out inside here. This as well. Trim out inside here. Zoom in, trim out inside here. Yeah. So one door has been created.
How does that look like a door?
Yeah, it's a door. That's how a door look. That's how a door. You need a door right here, so as well. That door is here as well. So you could put that door here as well. Also, you tired?
Yeah.
Alright, take a break if you're tired. No problem. Alright.
It's almost like
Yes, take a break. Take a break. Alright.
Oh
Good job. Good job.
I did.